That black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Welcome back to a new video. It's your girl Glow and I'm back with a new look. For today's look, we're gonna do a very quick install. I just received a wig from Yolisa Hair. You guys already know Yolisa. We're very familiar with them. I've worked with them like tons of time. I love their quality. So I'm back with trying another wig from them today. The wig that I'll be trying is 13x4 HD lace front wig, 28 inches, 250% density, and the texture is body wave. Also have 5x5 lace closures. They have 13x4, 13x6, a little bit of everything, and the highest density is 250. I usually would do like a 180 for body wave, but I happen to get 250, which is fine. But yeah, that's pretty much all the details. So let's go ahead and see what she's looking like. So this is the packaging. It just says Yolisa in the front. So when you open up this box, you will find your wig in a plastic bag. You will also find this silk Yolisa bag in here for your wig, just to keep the curls nice and stored. You will also find a baby hair toothbrush, a wig band, and some wig caps. And these are the nice transparent one. I'm actually wearing one of them right now. You get an extra wig cap, and this is like the regular one. So you have the regular, not so thin one, and you have the HD cap. You will also find another black silk bag to store your wig. That's pretty much everything that comes in this box. So let's go ahead and see what the wig is looking like. So this is what she looks like straight out the bag. So the wig looks like it's being pre-curled, which I love because I hate sitting here for like an hour and a half curling hair. You guys know that. Absolutely hate it. Like, it takes forever. 28 inch of this body wave texture. She looks really nice, soft and shiny. This is what the lace look like. Like I said, it's an HD lace front wig, so she looks super transparent, super natural. It's the middle part. It does also look like it's been bleached. I'm not sure, but it looks super natural, really good. It also looks like it's been pre-plucked. The wig is basically ready to go. This is what the inside looks like. It has a band on the inside and combs on the side and one on the bottom. I usually like to cut this band, and like when I apply the wig, I would tie it in the back super tight because my head is really small. So usually, even with these adjustables or this, it wouldn't be like tight, super secure on my head. So I like to cut it in the middle, tie it in the back. The lace could be super flat. Little trick for you guys. But yeah, that's what the wig looks like. So let's go ahead and get into it.
stroke it, baby. Work it, baby, work it, baby. Stroke it. There is something I want you to do for me.
This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It ended up looking so good. I'm obsessed with this lace. I feel like that's definitely my favorite part on this wig is the lace. Besides the quality is super soft and really silky. This is actually like, let's say like 6 to 8 hours later. When I started this video, when I was doing my hair, I ended up leaving the house because I had like a whole event to go to. So I went out. My makeup looks a bit like dewy right now. My curls dropped a little bit, but it's still looking good. So this is like a whole 8 hours later and it still looks bomb. But yeah, I'm really obsessed with this quality, with the lace and everything. The wig is just 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, make sure you guys check out Yalisa Hair top tier, one of my favorite. I will have all the details down below so you guys could check it out. Details to the store, the wig, and everything else you guys need to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
Melanin, hocus pocus, baby.